guys, what's up? My brother couldn't make it. Psych!
I'm right here.
Okay, so we're gonna decide to do a fidget spinner challenge. Sorry we couldn't make this video earlier because we decided to make this video because we haven't made this many videos in a long time. So
and don't forget to subscribe down and subscribe.
Okay. And today we're recording it ourselves because we couldn't get someone to record it. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go with the fidget spinners in 3, 2, 1. What are you doing? What are you doing? We're supposed to show them over here. You're so dumb. We can't. Okay, so they're right here. Okay, so I got the money dollar sign, the Batman one, and that one.
And I got Hydrotic one, blue normal one, and this white one.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the battlefield in 3, 2, 1. I didn't make a noise. He's gonna get us caught. Oh, here we are, guys.
So yeah, we're just here. So we're gonna do. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna. So which one are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the Hydrotic one.
I'm gonna use the Batman one.
We're gonna do the battles.
3, 2, 1.
Stop.
Okay,
so
so
one. This first round.
Okay, so this one in 3, 2, 1.
Five.
3, 2, 1.
I look like I won immediately. So whoever wins is
3, 2, 1.
Hey dude, you're first.
Okay, so he won. Okay,
I
so
won.
comment below who won. I'm pretty sure he won.
Yeah.
So these ones are better than these ones.
And don't forget to like the video.
And comment below.
Yeah.
And see you in the next video. Bye.